We're all artists, we're all creative.
I met Greg Burns about a year ago. He told me about artist in residence programs he had conducted at nice hotels all around the world. I wondered if something like that might work in corporate America. If we could get a group of people from different departments that might not even know each other and work together to create something that would be lasting, that's powerful.
Today, we're going to be painting things around the values of Equinix. I've done many programs like this before all around the world. This program is unique in that there was a lot of groupthink. These values that companies have are pieces of paper with some words on them, and how much do people really feel them? Painting them forces you to embody them or internalize them.
Every day we get up and we come to work and we try to make things happen, but we're not perfect, none of us are. Sometimes you need to iterate and you need to change course and you need to start over. If at first you don't succeed, let's just paint over it and try it again. This was a completely participative process.
20 or 30 people with different ideas, different expectations. What are the images? What are the colors? What are the ideas? How are we going to do this together? People have flung, splattered, and played with paint, probably in ways they haven't done too much recently.
I think a lot of people really loved it. Let them release their inner child. There's a little magic to that.
What comes out, you can't orchestrate it. These paintings are just, to me, I'm astounded.